Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about phone. Now let's take a look at the build number, and it may be quite confusing, but it is important, and actually it is crucial to activate the developer options. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, and then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now we can, after activating, we can go back to the general settings and then tap on system and updates. And as you can see in this last section, we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty, maybe not plenty, but we've got some advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we've got the transition animation scale, we can show surface updates, we can show pointer location. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth, to the USB, so the networking overall, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options to customize. And if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, nothing easier, just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher right here. As we can see, the developer options were immediately closed. What's more, we just got back to the system and updates, and you cannot find the developer options here, so they disappeared. But of course, no worries. You can customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So basically that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.